Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and our email address is Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. You can have classes with us. You can either have class over the telephone or in person. To have class over the telephone, you would call us in WhatsApp. So call us in WhatsApp, give us a WhatsApp call to have class over the telephone. Class may be from half an hour or longer. Classes by telephone can be reading, PEP, or any grade of primary or prep school. So reading for adults, teenagers, or children. So you can have reading for adults, teenagers, or children by telephone classes. Or you can have PEP classes or classes for any grade of primary or prep school. Classes for telephone classes cost $2,000 per month. That's $2,000 per month. So telephone classes cost $2,000 per month, and you can pay for it at our Jamaica National account. Or you can have class in person. To have class in person, we can either go to your location or you can come to us in Portmore. To go to your location, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it by our Jamaica National Bank account number. Or to have class with us, you would have class in Portmore on a Saturday. Classes last for 3 hours, either from 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. That class as in other persons. So to have class with us, you will come to us in Portmore on a Saturday from either between 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. And the class costs $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. You are also encouraged to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with answers for only $4,000. That's only $4,000. You will receive the test by email. Pay Pay for it at any branch island-wide of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402. That's account number 0011114402. Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Sharp. Send me take take a photograph of your receipt and send it to me through WhatsApp as proof of your payment. You will see the test the day after you pay for them. Email me from the email address that you would like to get the test to. So email me at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com from the email address that you would like to get the test sent to, and I will email the test to that email address. So remember that that Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, And our email address remains as Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summary Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 81 out of 150 questions. This question asks 1.04 times 5.27. The choices are A. 73.78, B. 5.4808, C. 548.08, D. 7.378. Again, the question and choices are 1.04 times 5.27. The choices are A. 73.78, B. 5.4808, C. 548.08, D. 7.378. Do you know how to multiply decimals? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices. Then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. 1.04 times 5.27. The choices are A. 73.78, B. 5.4808, C. 548.08, D. 7.378. Now to read my answer. 1.04 times 5.27. Remove the points first. 104 times 527. 527 times 104. 2108 plus 0000 plus 52700 is equal to 54808. Next, count the total amount of numbers after the point on both sides. You have 0.4, you have 0.04 and 0.27. We count 4 numbers. Next, starting at the back of the answer, move the point 4 times. If no numbers are present, place zeros in the spots. 54808 is equal to, after moving the decimal point 4 times, it becomes 5.4808 equal 5.4808. Answer B. Now to explain my answer. So first you remove the points and multiply just like how you would normally multiply. So 527 times 104. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 carry 2. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 carry 1. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Then you add a 0 underneath as placeholder. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Then you add 2 zeros as placeholders. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Now add everything, go down. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 0 plus 2 is 4. And 5 plus nothing is 5. So that equals to 54808. Next, count the total amount of numbers after the point on both sides. After the point, we have 0.04 and we have 0.27. We have 0.04 and we also have 0.27. How many numbers do we have after the decimal point? 4. 4 numbers. We have 04 and we have 27. We have 4 numbers after the point. We have 04 and we have 27. So 4 numbers are after the decimal point. Next, starting at the back of the answer, count 4 numbers count 4 numbers to put the decimal point. So we're starting at the back, starting at 8. We'll pass over the 8, we'll pass over the 0, we'll pass over the 8 again, then we'll pass over the 4, then we'll put the point. So we'll count 4 numbers from the back of the number and then we'll put the decimal point. We count 4 numbers from the back of the number and then we put the decimal point. The reason why you put it after 4 numbers is because there are 4 numbers after the point. If there were 5 numbers after the point, you would count 5 times. If there were 3 numbers after the point, you would count 3 times. But there are 4 numbers after the decimal point. So you move the point 4 times. The answer now becomes 5.4808. The answer now becomes 5.4808. So answer 5.4808. Answer B. Answer 5.4808. Answer B. I will give you about 1 more minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer. Receive about 1,000 practice exercises with worked out and explained answers from each of the 5 GSAT subjects by email for only $4,000 per subject. Okay, you can receive about 1,000 thereabouts exercises with worked out answers for the mathematics and maybe explained answers for the other subjects. The subjects being, and they are suitable for PEP also, mathematics, language arts, communication talks, social studies and science. And remember that these are I have GSAT here, but it's suitable for PEP also. It will be the same syllabus basically. So you can receive about 1,000
exercises with answers. Some of them explained for language arts, communication, talk, science, and social studies, and with worked out answers for basically all of them, for the mathematics, worked out answers for all of the mathematics, worked out and explained for the mathematics as well, worked out and explained. So you'll get thorough answers in these exercises with answers. Receive them for only $4,000 per subject, and you will get them by email. They will be emailed to you the day after payment is made. So they will be emailed to you the day after payment is made. On the screen you can see I have, for the exercises, I have round to the nearest 10, and then the other one round to the nearest 100, and the other one round to the nearest 1,000. Those are examples of the exercises that you will get the answers to. You will receive the exercises and the thorough worked out and explained answers for each question by email for only $4,000 per subject. So go ahead, write down the account number that I have on the screen here, along with the account holder's name and the branch of the bank and the name of the bank, and go ahead and get all 5 subjects right now. All 5 subjects: mathematics, language arts, communication, talk, science, and social studies. Get all 5 subjects. Practice exercises with answers right now. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.